I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I knew it. Has nothing to do with me. You have the hiccups. It's your nightmare. Your nemesis. You got super happy at the meaty bits. Now you have hiccups. It won't stop. I'm sorry you don't feel good now. That's a bullshit, Mom. You make fun of my hiccups all the time.